Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating article from lwn.net about creating a keyboard-driven desktop. It's all about minimizing mouse usage for productivity and ergonomics, a topic near and dear to many of us, I'm sure. Let's get started.
Absolutely. I'm eager to hear this. The title alone grabbed my attention. What are some of the key tools and techniques discussed?
Well, the article explores a range of solutions. First up is Paper WM, a scrollable tiling window manager for GNOME. It addresses the limitations of traditional tiling managers, especially on smaller screens. By introducing a virtual viewport, imagine having a workspace larger than your screen, scrolling through windows with keyboard shortcuts. Pretty slick, right?
That sounds incredibly efficient. No more wrestling with window resizing. But what about other applications? How does this approach extend beyond window management?
Exactly. The author also highlights Firefox bookmark keywords, a surprisingly powerful yet often overlooked feature. By assigning keywords to frequently visited sites, you can access them instantly from the address bar. Think of it as a supercharged bookmark system. Genius!
I see. So, less clicking, more typing. But what about web browsing itself? Surely that's still mouse-heavy?
Not with Vimium, a browser extension that brings Vim-like keyboard shortcuts to Firefox, Chrome, and Edge. It's modal, meaning navigation is done with alphabetic keys. Similar to Vim, you can open links, select text, even manage your history and bookmarks, all without touching the mouse. It's a game changer.
Wow, that sounds intense. I'm a bit intimidated by Vim, but this sounds like a more accessible way to get similar benefits. What about email? Is there a keyboard-centric solution for that?
Absolutely. The article mentions AERC, a terminal-based email client with Vim-like key bindings, combined with Quake Terminal, a GNOME extension that provides a drop-down terminal. You can quickly access and dismiss your email without disrupting your workflow. It's all about seamless integration.
Interesting. So it's not just about individual applications, but also about how they work together. What about the author's experience with Emacs?
Ah, yes. The author, being a longtime Vim user, initially struggled with Emacs's default key bindings, but they cleverly integrated Evil, an extensible VI layer for Emacs, to retain their muscle memory. They even went further, hiding the menu and toolbar to force themselves to use shortcuts. A true testament to commitment.
That's dedication. Impressive. But what about situations where a mouse is still necessary? Does the article address that?
Yes. The author acknowledges that some tasks, like image editing, are still better suited for a mouse. The goal isn't complete mouse elimination, but rather a significant reduction in its use. They also mention Input Remapper, a tool for remapping keyboard and mouse inputs, allowing for highly customized key bindings. It's all about finding the right balance.
So it's a pragmatic approach, not a dogmatic one. A very insightful article. Thanks for summarizing it for us.
My pleasure. It's been a fascinating journey exploring these tools and techniques. Remember to check out the lwn.net article for more details and links to the projects discussed. And that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.